As a gamer, I want to select the easy, medium, and hard radio buttons before starting the game. Acceptance criteria: create easy, medium, and hard radio buttons. Default, select the easy radio button, put the radio button in the south pane, and make the radio buttons disappear after the game starts. As a gamer, I want the speed of the following objects to increase with each higher level of selected difficulty. Acceptance criteria: easy mode makes the paint targets far at 0.5 MPS speed. Medium mode makes the paint targets fall at 1 MPS speed. Hard mode makes the paint targets fall at 3 MPS speed. Hard mode makes the game update at 30 frames per second. As a gamer, I want the speed of the following objects to increase with each higher level of selected difficulty. Acceptance criteria: game over sign appears on the screen after the paint targets cross the game over line. Game over appears in color red. Game over appears at location 200-200.